Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download and install free video editor. There are a lot of video editors out there, but we're gonna focus on Shotcut. So now let's start. Go to Chrome, type shotcut.org. Click download. Click 64-bit Windows Explorer. Wait for the app to be downloaded. While waiting, you can scroll down and you can see here that the features of Shotcut, including its description and advantage and disadvantages.
A few moments later.
Once it is downloaded, click agree. Next, install.
A few inches later.
And after that, you can find the shortcut in your desktop. That's it.